Okay, today we'll be showing you how you can be able to check your token on Binance. But first, let's check to our Hamster and see what we have. But this wallet, I think I connected it to buy Bit, but I'll be walking you through how you can connect it, how you can check yours in Binance. Okay. All right, let's go. I think I opened it already. Okay, for you to check yours, or for you guys that use your Binance as your withdrawal wallet for the Hamster token, you can just log in. If you don't have, check by clicking the wallet. Okay, click on wallet. So since you already use it, you don't need to search it again. So you will just click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, you scroll back to your sports. Just click on sports. Once you scroll to your sports, you will see it. The Hamster token will be shown. You'll be seeing it delivered. Okay, this is the number of token I have. So that's how you check it.